Hello friends, my name is Dean Stewart and most people call me Pastor Dean. I've been a pastor in the Midwest for about 45 years. And you know, pastors tell a lot of stories. And over the years, I told stories from my childhood. And people would say quite often, you ought to write those stories down as a children's story or a children's book. And so about 10 years ago, I began to do that. And I found a wonderful illustrator to illustrate my stories. And so the first one is called Turtletown. And it's about a mystical swamp that wasn't far from where we lived. The trouble was the swamp was across the railroad tracks and I was forbidden to cross those tracks. Now let me read a little bit from Turtletown. Did you ever hear of a place so rare that made goosebumps rise around every hair? A place so exciting, so wild and sublime, you wish to get there if only one time. Well, that's how it was for my friends and me when we talked Turtletown and what it must be. Frogs, snakes, lizards, and turtles by the dozen, maybe even a gator, or so said my cousin. Well, that's all I'm going to read, but I know you'll enjoy this story and how it turns out. The second book I wrote, my granddaughter Rylan is going to tell you about.
Second book is named Places You Haven't Seen Yet, and it's a story about learning to trust God.
And the third book I wrote, my granddaughter Rebecca will tell you about.
It's called Henry Haywood of Pain, and it's about how to survive a bully.
And the fourth book I wrote, my granddaughter Reagan will tell you about.
It's called From Snowballs to Beach Balls, and it's a story about rapture in heaven.
Well, these are just a few of my grandkids. I actually have 15. Now, I'm telling you all this because I'm going to be at Mr. Mustache and Company Toy Store in Rogers City on Saturday, December the 7th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And I hope you'll come. What we'll be doing is we'll be reading these books, and if you'd like to purchase them, we'll sign them. But I'll also have some refreshments, and each time I read a book, I'm going to give one away for free. So once again, I hope you'll come. It's Saturday, December the 7th from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock at Mr. Mustache and Company Toy Store in Rogers City. Hope to see you then.
Bye.